Hey everyone! Welcome back to another quick and super helpful tutorial. Today, I'll show you exactly how to move multiple events in Google Calendar. Fast, easy, and updated for 2025. Whether you're reorganizing schedules or managing team events, this guide will make your life way easier. So stay tuned till the end. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Google Calendar on your browser. On the right hand side, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on it to browse available add-ons. This will open a pop-up window where you can find all sorts of calendar extensions. Now, in the search bar at the top, type GCA, short for GCAL Extras. Once you see the GCL Extras option, click on it and hit Install. It'll ask you to sign in with your Google account, so just choose your email and allow the permissions. After the installation finishes, you'll get a message saying GCL Extras has been installed. Click Done and close the pop-up. You'll now see a new GCL Extras icon appear on the right side of your calendar. Click that icon once and a small panel will slide open. Here, select Show All Calendars. When you do this, it will automatically select all the calendars linked to your account and ask you to reload Google Calendar. Go ahead and reload it, either manually or by clicking the reload button that appears. Once your calendar reloads, you're all set to move multiple events. If you don't already have any events created, just make a new one by clicking Add New Preset at the bottom of the GCL Extras panel. Give it a name, hit Save, and you'll see your new preset appear right away. From here, you can easily select multiple events, choose where you want to move them, or even download them if needed. Two options will appear at the bottom of the GCL Extras panel, one to move and one to export. And that's it. You've just learned how to move multiple events in Google Calendar using GCal Extras, a quick and efficient way to manage your schedule without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.